Hi, welcome to Tik's Kitchen. Today we're going to make chicken tikka masala. Let's get started. To make chicken tikka masala, we're going to need chopped onions and tomatoes, soft powder, chicken masala, sugar, hing, cumin seeds, green chilli, cloves, black cardamom, Kashmiri red chilli powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, Tandoori masala, Garam masala, Fenugreek powder, Chaat masala, curd, oil, lemon juice, water, unsalted butter, cream, ginger garlic paste, salt, chopped coriander, and diced chicken thighs. For marination, take half kg chicken thighs in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon oil, half cup curd, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon tandoori masala, half teaspoon chaat masala, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek powder, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix everything together. Cover and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. To make tikka masala gravy, heat 2 tablespoon oil or ghee in a pan. Add a pinch of hing and saute. Add 3 green chilies and saute for a few seconds. Now add 3 chopped onions and half teaspoon salt. Saute onions till they turn pinkish in color. Add 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Add 3 chopped tomatoes and cook till they turn slightly soft. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything together and add a dash of water to prevent spices from burning. Take the masala out in a separate bowl and let it cool for some time before grinding it into a smooth paste. To make chicken tikka, bring marinated chicken to room temperature. Add 2 teaspoon lemon juice and let the chicken sit for at least 15 minutes. Place 3 to 4 chicken pieces on each skewer stick. Brush some oil on a heated pan and cook 2 to 3 skewers in one batch. Cook for 2 minutes each side on medium-high heat. Let these sit for 5 minutes before starting the final process. Heat 1 tablespoon oil or ghee in a pan. Add half teaspoon cumin seeds, 5 cloves and 2 black cardamom. Saute these for a minute. Now add the masala paste. Add 1 cup of water, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1 teaspoon Saunf powder. Bring this to a boil and then add the chicken pieces. Mix everything together and cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons butter and 3 tablespoons cream. Cover and cook for 5 more minutes on low heat. Now add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala and take it off heat. Finally add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander and mix everything together. It's time for plating. Chicken tikka masala is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.